Hello, my friends. I'm Alex, and today we're going to learn 50 useful conversation sentences for food in restaurants. These sentences are short, clear, and easy to use whether you're dining out or ordering online. Ready? Let's begin. Here is the first important sentence. I'd like to make a reservation. I'd like to make a reservation. You use this when calling the restaurant to book a table in advance. For example, hello, I'd like to make a reservation for 2 at 7 p.m. The next one. We have a reservation under Alex. A reservation under Alex. You use this when you arrive at the restaurant and have already booked a table. For example, we booked a table under the name Alex. Here is the next one. Hello. Do you have a table for 2? Do you have a table for 2? You use this when you arrive at a restaurant and want a table for a specific number of people, without a booking. For example, you say, hello. Can we get a table for 2? Next one. Can I sit near the window? Can I sit near the window? You use this when choosing your seat, asking for a specific location. For example, can I sit near the window, please? The next one. Can I see the menu? Can I see the menu? You use this when you sit down and want to look at the food list. For example, excuse me, can I see the drinks menu? Here is the next one. I'm still deciding. I'm still deciding. You use this when the waiter comes but you need more time to choose. For example, I'm still deciding. Can you come back in a minute? Here is the next one. We'd like more time, please. We'd like more time, please. You use this when the waiter asks for your order too soon and you need more time. For example, we'd like more time, please. We're still looking. The next one. Excuse me, we're ready to order. Excuse me, we're ready to order. You use this to politely tell the waiter you're ready to place your order. For example, excuse me, we're ready to order now. Here is the next one. I'd like to order now. I'd like to order now. You use this when you're ready to tell the waiter what you want to eat. For example, hi. I'd like to order now. Here is the next one. What do you recommend? What do you recommend? You use this when you are asking the waiter for their best dish or a popular choice. For example, what do you recommend? Is the grilled salmon being very popular? Here is the next one. Do you have any specials today? Do you have any specials today? You use this at the beginning when you get the menu to ask about special dishes not on the main menu. For example, do you have any specials today? Here is the next one. What's in this dish? What's in this dish? You use this before ordering something new or if you want to know the ingredients. For example, what's in the pasta special? Here is the next one. Is it spicy? Is it spicy? You use this if you don't like spicy food and want to know about the taste. For example, is this chicken spicy? Here is the next one. Do you have vegetarian options? Do you have vegetarian options? You use this if you eat only vegetables and no meat. For example, Do you have vegetarian options on the menu? Here is the next one. Do you have any kid meals? Do you have any kid meals? You use this if you're with a child and looking for food for them. For example, do you have any kid meals on the menu? Here is the next one. Do you have high chairs? Do you have high chairs? You use this if you're eating with a small child and need a special chair. For example, do you have high chairs for kids? Here is the next one. I have a food allergy. I have a food allergy. You use this to stay safe if you cannot eat certain foods due to an allergy. For example, I have a peanut allergy. Can you make sure it has no peanuts? Here is the next one. For my starter, I'll have the salad. For my starter, I'll have the salad. You use this if you are ordering the first part of your meal. For example, for my starter, I'll have the salad. Here is the next one. And for my main course, I'll have the pasta. And for my main course, I'll have the pasta. You use this if you are ordering the main part of your meal. For example, and for my main course, I'll have the pasta. Here is the next one. I'll take the lunch special. I'll take the lunch special. You use this when there is a special meal for lunch on the menu. For example, I'll take the lunch special, please. Here is the next one. I'll have the same. I'll have the same. You use this when your friend orders and you want that exact dish too. For example, that sounds good. I'll have the same. Here is the next one. Does this come with rice? Does this come with rice? You use this when you are asking what is included with your meal. For example, does this come with rice or potatoes? Here is the next one. Can I get this without onions? Can I get this without onions? You use this to ask for a specific ingredient to be removed from your food. For example, can I get this burger without onions, please? Here is the next one. Can I have fries instead of salad? Can I have fries instead of salad? You use this when you want to change a side dish that comes with your meal. For example, can I have fries instead of salad, please? Here is the next one. Can I get the dressing on the side? Can I get the dressing on the side? You use this when ordering salad or food with sauce and want the sauce in a separate cup. For example, can I get the dressing on the side? Here is the next one. I'd like my steak well done. I'd like my steak well done. You use this when ordering meat and want it fully cooked. For example, I'd like my steak well done, please. Here is the next one. Can I change my order? Can I change my order? You use this if you ordered too fast or changed your mind about what you want. For example, sorry, can I change my order to the pasta instead? Here is the next one. Can you bring it quickly? Can you bring it quickly? You use this if you're in a hurry and need your food fast. For example, can you bring it quickly? I have a meeting soon. Here is the next one. How long will the food take? How long will the food take? You use this if you are in a hurry or have been waiting a long time for your food. For example, excuse me, how long will the food take? Here is the next one. Everything looks delicious. Everything looks delicious. You use this when the food on the menu or other people's plates looks good and appealing. For example, looking at the menu, wow, everything looks delicious. Here is the next one. Still or sparkling water? Still or sparkling water? You use this when the server asks if you want regular or fizzy water. For example, still water, please. Here is the next one. Can I get extra sauce? Can I get extra sauce? You use this when you want a little more of something on your food. For example, can I get extra sauce with my fries? Here is the next one. Could I have some extra napkins, please? Could I have some extra napkins, please? You use this when you need more napkins, tissue papers. For example, could I have some extra napkins, please? Waiter, sure, here you are. Here is the next one. Can I have some more item, please? Can I have some more item, please? You use this if you need more of something, like bread or water. For example, excuse me, can I have some more bread, please? Here is the next one. The food is cold. The food is cold. You use this politely to tell the waiter there is a problem with the temperature of your food. For example, excuse me, the food is cold. Can you heat it, please? Here is the next one. Could you warm this up? Could you warm this up? You use this if your food got cold and you want it hot again. For example, could you warm this up a little, please? Here is the next one. Excuse me, my order is not here yet. Excuse me, my order is not here yet. You use this when your food is late and you are telling the waiter. For example, excuse me, my order is not here yet. Waiter, I'll check with the kitchen. Here is the next one. This isn't what I ordered. This isn't what I ordered. You use this if your food is wrong and you want to politely tell the waiter there was a mistake. For example, excuse me, this isn't what I ordered. I asked for fish. Here is the next one. Can I speak to the manager? Can I speak to the manager? You use this if there's a problem you can't fix with the waiter. For example, can I speak to the manager, please? Here is the next one. Do you have a dessert menu? Do you have a dessert menu? You use this after your main course to see the sweet food options. For example, can we see the dessert menu, please? Here is the next one. Can I get the check, please? Can I get the check, please? You use this after you finish eating and want to pay. For example, can I get the check, please? Here is the next one. Can we split the bill? Can we split the bill? You use this when you and your friends want to pay for your own meals separately. For example, can we split the bill, please? Here is the next one. Is service included? Is service included? You use this before paying to know if the tip is already part of the bill. For example, is service included in the total? Here is the next one. Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? You use this before you pay to know if you can use a credit card. For example, Do you accept credit cards or only cash? Here is the next one. Can I get a receipt? Can I get a receipt? You use this after you pay if you need proof of payment. For example, can I get a receipt, please? Here is the next one. Keep the change. Keep the change. You use this when you pay in cash and want to leave the extra money as a tip. For example, giving money, here you are. Keep the change. Here is the next one. Can I have this to go, please? Can I have this to go, please? You use this after eating or if you can't finish your meal and want to take the food home. For example, I'm full. Can I have this to go, please? Here is the next one. I'd like it to go, not for here. I'd like it to go, not for here. You use this when ordering at a café or fast food place if you want takeaway, not to eat inside. For example, I'd like it to go, not for here. Here is the next one. Excuse me, where is the restroom/toilet? Excuse me, where is the restroom/toilet? You use this when you need to find the bathroom. For example, excuse me, where is the restroom, please? I hope this refined list is even more helpful for your students. Let me know if you'd like any more adjustments. We've covered about 50 essential English phrases for ordering in a restaurant, from greeting the waiter to asking for the bill. These are all designed for real daily use, helping you feel comfortable and confident. I'm Alex from English Comfortably. Keep listening and practicing these phrases until next time. Believe in yourself, I'll see you soon.